Hello, Ultimate Smooth Speakers. I just wanted to create a short video about a presentation that I had about an hour ago. I mentioned it yesterday in the group chat. I had to provide a tight 10-minute presentation to my management team, which consists of about 15 people. And because we're in the time of COVID, I had to do all of that virtually. But by using the Ultimate presentation system, I think I was able to do a really great job. I actually received immediate feedback after the presentation and the discussion was over from not only my boss, but other peers, that it was a really great presentation, that I was able to really tie a lot of different ideas together, and that they really appreciated the work that I put into it. So a couple of things that I used from the Ultimate presentation system was to first, speak slowly and repeat myself. The other thing that I used was to start preparing the presentation weeks before while you're doing other tasks. So as I was washing dishes or working out or going for a walk, I started to mentally prepare for what I wanted to say, so that by the time of the presentation, I wasn't really looking at the slides or the notes itself. It was all just a really great flow. And I also envisioned during the presentation, but also before the presentation, had a clear vision in my mind of what I wanted the audience to get from the presentation. And that's all from the system. So thank you so much, Michael. I cannot tell you how much you have improved my life, my personal life in terms of communication, but also my professional life. I really do see myself developing in ways that I know I would not have been able to develop without you. So thank you again, guys. It works if you work it, and good luck to all of you. Thanks.